An essay on Drishti 10 Starliner Drone. The Drishti 10 Starliner Drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle UAV with around 70% of its content made in India. It is developed by Adani Defense and Aerospace in collaboration with Elbit Systems of Israel. It is an advanced ISR platform that can operate for 36 hours and carry a 450 kg payload. It is designed to operate in diverse weather conditions. It is authorized to fly in both unsegregated and segregated airspace, thereby increasing its operational flexibility. The Drishti 10 Starliner drone stands out for having low maintenance needs, which lowers costs and improves operational efficiency. It has a cutting edge communication technology for dependable and secure data transfer, including satellite communication and line of sight data links. The autonomy, mission efficiency, payload configuration choices of the UAV renders it as a highly important tool for strategic operations. On June 18, 2024, the Indian Army will acquire the first Starliner drone, which would significantly improve its observation capabilities along the Pakistani border. The Drishti 10 Starliner drone is a major advancement in India's defense technology, crucial for future naval operations and protecting India's maritime interests in the Indian Ocean region.